Hello, kindergarten and first grade champions. This is Dr. Dunaway on Monday, March 23rd, our first day of reading together away from school. Each day, I want to share a book with you. And some of the books will come from your Invest for Success bags that you received last week. Some of the books like 7, 8, 9, You Can Make a Friend, Pout Pout Fish, Princess Truly, Off I Go, and a favorite, Pete the Cat and the Super Cool Science Fair. Now you might have some different books in your Invest for Success bags, and that's fine because we're going to share many books, some that you have in your bags and some that are my favorites that I have in my library. Now, as we begin today, I want to talk about the 7 habits. And you know the 7 habits. And the first one is be proactive. I want you to be proactive in reading every day. I want you to read with me, and I want you to read by yourself or with a parent or friend that might be with you, because reading is important as we learn and grow together. So please think about reading every day, and please think about the second habit. Begin with the end in mind. We want to think about where we are right now, which is not at school with our friends and families. We want to think about later when we're back at school together, and we want to be ready to see our friends, and we want to be ready in the way that we've learned when we've been away from school. So every day, I want you to make sure that you are completing your assignments, that you're talking to your collegiate leaders, that you're reading and spelling and writing and learning every single day. Today, I'm going to share a book that's not in your bag, but it's one of my favorites, and I'm pretty sure you've heard it before. Good books are books you want to hear again and again and again, and this is one of those for me. And you're going to figure it out once you see the character. Guess who? Yes, you are right. He's here with me. Hello. Hi, kindergartners. Hi, first graders. So yes, we're going to read If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, What Happens? So let's start. He's going to say hello, and now he's going to sit over here while I read. If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a mouse a cookie. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror and make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited. He'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name. With a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk, and chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he is going to want a cookie to go with it. That is a wonderful book. I love reading that story over and over, and our friend is so glad, Mouse is so glad that you're here to share the story too. You know, there are lots of books in this series. If you give a pig a pancake, if you give a moose a muffin, so we'll have to read some more. Say bye now. All right, see you next time. Leaders read, readers lead. Be a leader today. Read and complete your assignments. See you next time.